head in the clouds. Hi everybody!
What are you doing today?
I'm opening up my graduation present.
What do you think it is?
Well, this one looks pretty big, and I feel like it is a Poopsie surprise. Okay, so let's get started of opening this one. It's a Poopsie surprise! Yay, you tricked me! It's a Poopsie surprise! Mommy, it's a Poopsie surprise! I knew it was a Poopsie surprise! Yay! Oh my god, it is good! Oh my god, it's good! I wanted a Poopsie surprise! Yay! It has 20 packs in it.
Oh, it does? Well, we're going to have to find out. We're going to do the unboxing right now.
Alright, now we're gonna unbox it. Okay.
All right, Emily, you want to bring it around?
Yep. That's like nothing.
So we have Dazzle Darling, Rainbow Bright Star, Oopsie Starlight, and Whoopsie Doodle. Which one do you think it is, Em?
I don't know. We'll find out.
I hope it's the rainbow one.
Because the rainbow one is your favorite one.
Yes.
But I think the blue one is my favorite. Something. I think it's the blue one that I really want. It is the one that I want. Yes. Wait. You know what?
Show everybody.
Ooh.
Oh, this one's so cool. It has little tattoos.
It's Oopsie Starlight.
A little black t-shirt. What? Okay, I got these little packs. You know what this is? You know what this is?
Unicorn Shimmer?
Oh, I see little straw. It's a little green. It's a little sippy cup without green. This is her diaper. This is her own diaper. Ah! Whoa. Guess what this says?
Unicorn Sparkle.
Couldn't pink. Nice.
Unicorn Magic. Don't stop believing. A couple packets of unicorn food.
Oh, it has crap. Wait, this was. Oh, it's the unhappy cone. Unhappy cone. It is not a happy little salad.
Angry.
Oh, look how rainbow this is.
What is that?
That poop is for holding slime. Look how golden this spoon is. Okay, so let's be. Wait, let me just quickly comb her so she doesn't look crazy. Okay? Look how cute she is. Oh, there's a little bag.
So it looks like we got an instruction manual to tell us what to do.
Hand me scissors. Now I'm putting on her diaper, guys.
Think.
Jesus!
Nice diaper.
Okay, now it's time for me to put on her shirt.
Here she is, all dressed.
I'm gonna make unicorn food now.
So the first thing we're gonna do is pour some of this unicorn shimmer into the bowl.
Can I do it? If I do, boom, 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 boom. It's so glittery. Oops. Okay.
Scoop up the unicorn shimmer. Okay, so now we're going to feed the unicorn
Oopsie.
the unicorn shimmer.
Okay. Okay, here you go. Yum, yum, yum.
In the meantime, I'm going to be pouring 5 milliliters of water into this cup.
And then it will turn into unicorn
That's all-
soup.
That looks right.
I'm doing messy. I'm being messy right now. I know, guys. I'm being messy. I'm feeding the unicorn messy and I don't know why.
Now we're going to spoon feed the unicorn the 5 milliliters of water.
Yep, it's a little magical. It's a little glitter. Okay. Just put the water. Feed the unicorn the water. Unicorn water.
Now you're going to put the toilet bowl into the toilet
Yep.
and twist off the lid from the bottle. And open 1 packet of unicorn food and pour it into the bottle.
Okay. Dump it in.
Now we're going to fill up the measuring cup to the top line, which is 25 milliliters.
I put in all the unicorn food in here.
Yep, and then now you're gonna pour the tap water into the bottle.
We'll find out. Whoop.
And now you're gonna
Oh, it's pink. Look how pink the water is.
close the lid really tight.
Okay, now I'm gonna add my finger on top and then I'm going to shake. Oh, Jesus. Jesus, it's okay. I just have my finger on top. Now I'm going to shake for 10 minutes.
You only have to shake for 30 seconds.
What's that for this?
I think that was pretty good.
Okay.
It says, insert the straw fully into the unicorn's mouth and squeeze the bottle until it's empty.
Where's the bottle? It sounds like she's slurping. Done.
Rock the unicorn back and forth upside down like a cartwheel for 15 seconds.
Okay. Boom. 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 I'm doing it. Yes.
So grab the potty. I'm gonna take off her diaper.
So she doesn't have to put slime in her diaper?
Now we're going to press the heart button on her belly button
Yep.
to make her poop.
Yep.
Okay, we're gonna check to see what kind of poop she has.
She has Okay, let's take out this little potty thing. Oh, it's sticky. Look how sticky it is. Look at it, guys. Look how sticky it is. Look at it, guys. Finally, I have my own sign. Wow. Let's put it in the poop. I think this is a lot of slime.
Yeah, it barely fits.
Oh, look how much slime's sticking. Okay. It's pooping it. Pooping the poop is pooping out slime. No, it came out. Thank you for watching, everybody. See you next time.